once again having the best educated, highest skilled workforce in the world. That means to get there, we have to realize that in today's global competitive economy, the best jobs and newest industries will take root in the countries with the most skilled workers, the strongest commitment to research and technology, and the fastest way to move people, goods, and information. In the world. That's how we'll ensure that the next Intel, the next Google. We've got a lot of honorable and skilled people returning from Iraq and Afghanistan, and companies that could benefit from their abilities. We've got brave, skilled Americans returning from Iraq and Afghanistan. And that's partly because our soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and Coast Guardsmen are so skilled at what they do. It's a bill that would modernize the legal immigration system so that as we train American workers for the jobs of tomorrow, we're also attracting the highly skilled entrepreneurs and engineers who grow our economy for everyone. From South Korea to Singapore, history shows that countries thrive when they invest in their people and in their infrastructure. When they promote multiple export industries, develop a skilled workforce, and create space for small and medium-sized businesses that create jobs. But we have to acknowledge that competition means that businesses and workers here in the United States have to be better trained, better skilled, more competitive, leaner, meaner.
So there are a lot of skilled people ready to go to work that don't have an opportunity.
We need a skilled and educated workforce, a commitment to cutting-edge research and technology, and a fast and reliable transportation and communications network. But most of all, the single most important thing companies are looking for are highly skilled, highly educated workers. If we're going to make sure the good jobs of tomorrow stay here in America, stay here in North Carolina, we've got to make sure all our companies have a steady stream of skilled workers to draw from. Our companies need skilled workers, like our veterans, to grow. And there's no reason why we can't connect the two.
We need the highly skilled leaders who can teach in our classrooms, run our laboratories, and empower our industries for decades to come.